All right, everybody. Welcome back to your favorite YouTube hate channel, Strongman Personal Finance, where I, Christopher Bell, certified public accountant, long-term boglehead investor, and hater of garbage, misleading YouTube channels, goes on the interwebs and exposes all of the YouTube frauds and charlatans for the clowns and losers they really are. Now, if you don't know much about my channel, I have been investing for the past 10 years. I am a long-term boglehead investor, which means I invest the vast majority of my money in tax advantage accounts, and I buy index funds because I believe the true way to achieve wealth is not to pay clowns on the internet to give them your amazing portfolio tips. The way you truly build wealth, ladies and gentlemen, is by living below your means and consistently investing in broadly diversified index funds and tax advantage accounts. If you don't like that, well, you can go sign up for Jeremy Lefebvre's $20,000 course. You can listen to Meet Kevin. You can pay him $600-700. Or you could pay Stockmo, this clown and charlatan that I'm going to talk about today. You could sign up for his Patreon and get some of his hot stock tips. Anyway, if you like what I'm talking about, if you believe that I'm speaking the truth, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Now today, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to talk about Stockmo. Who is Stockmo? If you've never heard of him, he is a man that has almost, I believe, 500,000 subscribers on YouTube. And what is his amazing and revolutionary investment strategy? What great things is he going to teach you? Is it long-term wealth building strategies like investing in index funds? Does he talk about, living below your means and minimalism and how to buy insurance to protect your family? No. All this clown, this basic, boring clown talks about is the same crypto and meme stonks that every other YouTuber is talking about. Now, here's what really pisses me off about this guy. There's a lot of young YouTubers that don't have a lot of experience. They're not trained in personal finance. And, they may think that they're doing the right thing and helping their fans out. Whereas this guy, he's got to be in his 50s or 60s. He kind of knows what he's talking about. He knows, hopefully, how to be a long-term investor. But what pisses me off is even though he does that, he still freaking preaches garbage investing. And all he does is shill the same basic, boring stonks and cryptos that everybody else does. Now, you may think I'm a hater, but go on YouTube and see if you can find one single person that advocates maxing your tax advantage accounts and buying a total world stock market index fund as the true way to succeed. I bet you nobody else talks about that. But I'm a hater. I'm a big, mean, evil boy. Anyway, let's go look at Stockmo's YouTube channel, his page on the internet, and his Patreon to see what amazing value this complete clown gives to his fans. And he almost has 500,000 subscribers. Who is listening to this guy? For the love of God. Anyway, I'm going to share my screen and we're going to jump right into his YouTube channel. Now, this is the guy right here. Let's see if you can, let's make sure you can see my screen. Okay. This is the guy right here. Who is Stockmo? He is an investor and a teacher who cares. Now, do you think he truly cares about his fans if he's pumping cryptocurrency, which is a worthless, valueless asset? It's not even an asset, to be honest. That is basically the greater fool theory. Or is he a clown and a charlatan that's going to screw a lot of people over? Now, he claims he's an investor, but he's really a speculator. And then he says he's a teacher. Now, if you're a teacher, you should have some educational credentials. You should know what you're talking about. You should know that in the long run, the average investor gets a 2.5% return, whereas index funds like the S&P 500 return an average of 10% per year. He should know that. He should also know a thing or two about taxes, which if you have short-term capital gains, you're going to be paying a lot of taxes. And he probably should know a thing or two about Roth IRAs, 401ks, and etc. But do you think he talks about that? Of course not. But he's an investor and he's a teacher who cares. He's a nice, friendly old man that's going to take your money and make you invest in bad stocks. So let's go look at his amazing videos. Let's see who this amazing person. Oh yeah, he's got what, 491,000 subscribers. Good Lord. Let's see what his about is. StockMo is packed full of the best free stock picks available. Yeah, all the same basic boring stocks that are massively overhyped and are probably going to crash in the long run. I truly am trying to create something special with this channel. Yeah, you're so unique, StockMo. You talk about the same things that everybody else does. Wow, I congratulate you. And when it comes to investing, and he was a licensed broker and financial advisor with a Series 7 and a Series 63. You know who also used to have that sort of that credential? Me. I used to be a financial advisor. I took the Series 7 and I took the Series 66. I don't know what the Series 63 is. But just because you have those licenses does not mean you know what you're talking about. And I know from personal experience because I took the test. Those licenses give you a basic understanding of a broad swath of the investing universe, but they do not make you an excellent stunk picker, okay? So, oh, he's licensed. Oh, wow. He knows how to research and select stocks. Let's see what he talks about in his videos. So, first video, the best 5 growth stocks. Double your money? Wow. You know, on average, ladies and gentlemen, if you invest in a total world stock market index fund, roughly every 10 years in real dollars, you'll probably double your money on average because you're going to get roughly a 10% return, at least historically. Hopefully that continues in the future. And if you get roughly a 10% return minus 3% for inflation, you'll roughly double your money in real dollars every 10 years. But of course, all these people, these impressionable young investors with their stimmy checks in their hands, they see this guy and he's like, oh, you can double your money, bro. And what? Let me guess, in a year, 2 years, it's ridiculous. You're not going to double your money in 2 years. And if you do, you took a lot of risk or you got extremely lucky. Long-term wealth building is not about screwing off and trying to pick a bunch of random stonks or investing in get-rich-quick schemes like Ethereum or Bitcoin. All right, so his first video, double your money. Oh. The next one, this could be massive. Crypto crash, Ethereum opportunity. I am buying this. So right off the bat, Mr. Investor, Mr. Licensed Financial Advisor, he's shilling crypto. Crypto is not an investment, ladies and gentlemen. It's a speculation. If he said, I am a speculator and I speculate on crypto, that's fine. But he's treating it, he's coming off as a licensed financial advisor or a former one, and he's saying, oh my God, crypto is such a great investment. That is horrible, misleading guidance. You do not put a lot of your money in crypto. I don't think you should put any in it, but whatever. This is the guy. This video, 24,000 views. Crypto. All right, next video, Ethereum. Next one, how to become a crypto millionaire. Yes, everybody's just going to be a millionaire with crypto. You don't have to work hard and live below your means and invest responsibly and put your money in tax advantage accounts. All you have to do is buy cryptocurrency, according to StockMo, and you can become a millionaire instantly. Man, doesn't that sound legit? Look at this. Next video, Neo and Tesla. Oh my, this is the most basic channel. Everybody talks about the same crap. Cryptocurrency, Neo, Tesla. Let's see what other mean stonks this clown talks about. He's a teacher. He's a good person. He's a kindly old man. Just buy his stock recommendations. Let's see. God, he is just shilling crypto hard. All I see is crypto. Come on, give me some more stonks. Tesla, Neo, Tesla. Wow. Tesla is massively overvalued, ladies and gentlemen. Massively, insanely overvalued. Do not put your money in Tesla right now. All right. So, I mean, basically, I'm just seeing a bunch of Neo and Tesla shilling. Oh, there's Dogecoin. Of course. And he has a prediction. This video right here. He has a price prediction for Dogecoin. Let me tell you what, ladies and gentlemen, you cannot predict the price of Dogecoin. It is not an asset that produces cash flows. You cannot project future cash flows and discount them at your required rate of return to figure out a buy point. And you sure as heck can't predict the price of Dogecoin. It is simply based on hype, supply, and demand. There is no way to know Dogecoin's price and to predict it. It is flatly ridiculous. And he should know this. He has a Series 7 and he's an old man. He's a teacher. He cares. All right. EV stocks, Tesla, penny stocks. Oh my God. Great way to put your money. You should short penny stocks, ladies and gentlemen. AMC. Oh, of course. So the funny thing is I've made videos showing how stupid a lot of these stocks are. But I see this video right here. He's got AMC, which is basically a company on the verge of death. NIO, Chinese electric vehicle company, lots of speculative frenzy there. And then he has CCIV, which is like Churchill Capital, which is basically a special purpose acquisition company that's trying to bring a company called Lucid public. It's another EV company. The thing with Lucid and Churchill, ladies and gentlemen, Lucid is not even really producing. They don't even have financial statements, I don't think. And these clowns are shilling a stonk that is going to bring a company public that really hasn't even started production yet. But somehow this company is going to go to the moon because they have a couple cool advertisements on the interwebs. Wow. This channel is freaking horrible. This guy will mislead you and screw you over. But let's go look at his Patreon. Let's see how many people are paying this clown and are listening to this man and taking his advice seriously. Because he's a nice old man. He's a teacher. He's a good person. He's not going to screw you over. All right, here's Stockmo's Patreon. So I'm looking at here, Stockmo, our hero. There's 3 levels, ladies and gentlemen. You can be a supporter for $5 a month. You can be an investor. You can invest in cryptocurrency and speculative meme stocks for $10 a month. Oh, and it's of course it's sold out. Only the one that's $20 is not sold out. Of course. Wow. That is freaking hilarious. But you can be an achiever if you pay him $20 a month. Oh, there's more levels. Let's see. Aristocrat, $50 a month. You could be royalty. You could be a big deal. Royalty. What a God. Do not pay this clown a cent of your money, okay? I mean, I would maybe pay $5 just to see what he actually tells people in private. But God, $100 a month. You wouldn't max your Roth IRA, but you could put a significant amount of money in your Roth IRA instead of giving this clown and charlatan $100 a month for stupid stunk tips. You can just watch his YouTube channel for free. He's going to tell you the same crap. Now, this guy has almost 10,000 patrons. Do you realize how much money this guy is making? Do you realize how many Roth IRAs could have been maxed? Do you realize how many 401ks could have been contributed to? Do you realize how much money could have been invested in long-term viable investment vehicles like the Total World Stock Market Index Fund? But instead, it's been diverted to the charlatan to teach you the most basic, boring, worthless investment advice. Oh, just put your money in crypto. You're going to be rich overnight. You don't have to. It's going to solve all your problems. Just dump all your money in crypto, bro, and buy a bunch of meme stocks that are massively overvalued and have no earnings. That's how you build wealth, guys. You see why I'm angry? Like, these people come on here and they act like they're good people, and he's a nice old man. He's a teacher. He used to be a licensed financial advisor, which I was too. But at the end of the day, he's leading you down the wrong path, and he's taking your money as a massive freaking grift. This guy is a joke and a charlatan, and I cannot believe he has as many patrons and subscribers as he does. Good Lord. Blah, 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 blah. I am your guy. Please help me take this channel to the next level where we can make even bigger, meaningful differences to those we can reach. Yeah, you're really going to make a meaningful difference in the negative, buddy, with your trash stocks and your cryptocurrency. Just buy crypto, bro. Blah, 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 blah. All right, whatever. Let's go to his freaking page. Oh, he's got Twitter. He's got Pinterest. Wow, I wonder what amazing tweets he talks about. All right, so this is his crappy page, I guess. Wow. So So if you sign up for his Patreon, you get access to 8 of Mo's Patreon exclusive stock portfolios. I wonder what's in his portfolio, ladies and gentlemen. Could it possibly be cryptocurrency and the stocks he talks about on his YouTube for free? Most likely. But he probably has like a hidden stock that he doesn't disclose that is going to triple X in 2 days, which is why you have to pay him $20 or up to $100 a month for his garbage. All right, let's go to his Twitter. It's probably broken. Visit me. Let's see what's on his Twitter. Stockmo. Okay, here's how he describes himself. Educator. Educator of what? Garbage, basic, totally repeated, totally copied, shilling advice that everybody else on YouTube talks about. He's an educator. He's teaching you how to buy meme stocks and cryptocurrency. He's an entertainer. He's not entertaining. The guy is very low energy. If you go watch his Facebook, he has no charisma, okay? But I mean, if he was teaching good things, I wouldn't dump on him if he had no charisma. What pisses me off is the freaking garbage that he's putting on people. And on top of that, he's charging them. News TCAT, I guess that has something to do with Tesla and more. Let's see what tweets. Oh, Tesla, estimated value, 729. Now, Tesla's market cap is like what? Larger than the next 10 car companies combined. And then, of course, he has an estimated value for Tesla, or he shares it, of even higher. So Tesla's going to be as big as Walmart and Amazon, or not Amazon, Walmart and Alibaba combined. Because Tesla is just such a cash cow. Go look at the financial statements. Tesla's a disaster. Now, I'm not saying it's going to go out of business, but it is not. It's not worth what this clown is saying. Crypto crash, Ethereum, crypto millionaire. Okay, he just shares his freaking YouTube videos on here. This guy is disgusting. This guy makes me sick. He's a teacher. I know way more than this freaking clown. All right. Sin, clap. That's an inside joke, ladies and gentlemen. Just glance at his top 5 stock videos. He's lazy. Yeah, he's a clown. He literally just searches YouTube for hottest stocks, and then he picks the stocks that everybody else picks. Wow. He's not very strong in research. Of course not. It's so easy to become a YouTube grifter. All you have to do is shill the same hype meme stocks and cryptocurrency that everybody else shills. That's all you have to do to be successful on YouTube. Maybe I'll delete my channel and I'll start doing a shill channel, and I'll charge people $100 a month for exclusive stunk tips. Yeah, it looks like he's pushing 50, whatever it is. He should know better. Series 7 is suggesting crypto nuts. Yeah, and like the Series 7 isn't an amazing credential. I had it. I don't have it anymore, just so I'm clear, because I stopped being a financial advisor. But it doesn't make you a stock genius. You just learn the basics of like options and stocks and mutual funds and all that. Everything money roasting. Good. That's a good channel. I really like what they're doing. They kind of do the same thing I do. They expose frauds. But that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Do not listen to that fraud, clown, moron, grifter, basic, boring loser. And he deserves all the hate that I'm giving him because he's misleading people and he's going to screw people over. But you don't have to listen to me, okay? I'm just a mean hater, and I'm jealous of Stockmo because he's such a good person. He's an educator. Anyway, that's it. Like, subscribe, spread me to the masses. People need to see the truth. Whereas if you max your tax advantage accounts and you buy broadly diversified index funds, you'll build real wealth in the long run. Thank you. Thanks for the thumbs up, bro. Everybody like the video. I need to grow. I need to take these clowns down. Anyway, thanks for tuning in, ladies and gentlemen. You guys have a wonderful, delicious day.